Hello everybody, Stream Trades here again with you, and we are looking at Ethereum chart in 1 day time frame. If you remember in the previous video, I told you that this area is a strong potential bounce zone. Are there any other indicators that might support this idea? Let's take the fee projection tool and draw this projection. And check this out, a highly potential target here is 1.618, and again it aligns with this area. Wow, that's awesome. Also, guys, I know that a lot of you trade head and shoulders pattern. Personally, I don't, but since a lot of you do, let's draw it here. Right shoulder. There it goes. And if you know how do we project the potential target, we take all the height and project it from the right shoulder. And check this out again, it shows that this is a potential zone where the price is more likely to bounce. So consider it all, and I hope you really like this information. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, stay profitable and take care. Talk to you later. Bye bye.